All right, this was recorded September 15th, 2019. This will probably be the most current and relevant video on integrating Agile CRM with GravityForms. And I ran into just a little issue that I didn't find covered anywhere else. So we'll just jump right into it. I'm logged into my website. And you go to Forms, Settings. This is after you get the Agile CRM. Actually, I'm gonna jump over here to Ad-Ons. There's another add-on that I believe Agile put it out there, but I would use this one that is part of the GravityForms package. If you've got the add-ons, and then you're going to jump into settings. You're going to go to Agile CRM, and then you're going to put in your credentials. You want to put in both your API key and your JavaScript API key. And so I'm going to jump back over to Agile, and I'll show you where all of this is found. So what you'll do is once you're logged into your account, you're going to go to Admin Settings. You're going to come down here to Developers and API, and this is where you're going to grab both of these keys. So you're going to grab your REST API key and your JavaScript API key. And so once you've got them set correctly, you have to have your subdomain and email address, API key. If everything matches up, you'll get these 3 check marks. If anything is off or incorrect, you'll have 3 X's that'll show up here. So once you get all of this plugged in, then you got to go to your forms and come into Settings, Agile CRM. And so what you have to do that isn't covered anywhere is you have to map your fields. So we're going to edit this, right? So when you get into the setup, you can create a contact or you can create a task. I do both. And so you come down, I created some field names, and these are the actual field names or labels that I created within GravityForms. So once this is all created and set up, the thing that they don't cover anywhere is you still have to create these fields in Agile. And so this is where you go to do it. It's going to be under the same menu. You're going to come into Admin Settings, right? So we're already there. And then up here, Custom Fields. And then so you've got 3 categories: contacts, companies, and deals. And so then what you've got to do is you just got to come down through, right? You're going to click Add, and then you're going to create the label and then a description. I just used the label for the description, the type of field, and then save. You can denote whether it's required or not. I don't see any need to mess with that because I'm managing required fields on the website and GravityForms. So once you save, so I'll show you what it looks like. So you come back out. So once you've got all of these saved, I'm going to jump back out here to Contacts. And so I ran a test. Yeah, just click on this. And so you can see all of the information, all of the fields that I collected show up here along this left-hand column. And then when you're in contacts, all of the custom fields that you created become filters. So that's it. That's so the 3 steps are, right, you got to install the add-on, and then you have to set it up in settings. And I'll just bounce back through this one more time. Right, so you got to set it up in settings, and then you're going to go into your forms. And Agile, right? Then you're going to map your fields here to create a new contact within Agile. And then you've got to take these fields that you created and then come back over and make sure that you create them here in Agile CRM. Hope that helps. Have a great day.